Okay, so I'm doing this video to respond to a few DMs about the video I did on secret ways top advertisers are using to create their TikTok business account. The first thing I want to say is that I don't see any reason you should come to my DM to say that the video I did is not on point. If you think you are proud about your comments, you should have left it in the comments, okay? Not coming to my DM. All right, so having said that, I want to show you a few things because I had to go to Grok, right? And I also check other AI tools so that they will tell us whether this is on point or not, okay? So let's first of all go to Grok AI. So I came to Grok and I asked Grok because I used it to create my what's it called, description for the video at the end of the day. So I asked it, but is it truly better to create TikTok business account from the website than from the app? Now it says honest answer, yes. Okay, and then it goes to give all those details. I want to read what is here, what it says here. Okay, so it's talking about the advantages here. And this is website method and this is app method. Okay, now first of all, it says cleaner account history, fresh account with no personal history. That's when you go to the website, like in the video I did. Okay, now for this one, start with personal activities. So this will not be so good for you if you are considering business. Okay, then it came to ad approval chances higher. Okay, so when it comes to running ad, the approval is higher when you create the account using this method. All right, now this one is lower and it says due to mixed history. That's personal account and then now business account. Okay, then thirdly is verification process. It says is smoother and more direct. Now for the app, it says it triggers stricter business verification. Though I don't think this is a problem because like I said, I have a training on how you can verify your account in less than 10 minutes. I mean TikTok business account. Okay, so let's move on. Account stability, more stable for advertising, higher risk of restriction. Are you hearing that? Then best for business owners and advertisers, casual creators. Okay, so if you come down here, it goes on to give more reasons, so you can take your time to check. Now let me just copy this and go to Cloud AI. No, this is ChatGPT. Okay, let me paste this here. Let's see in real time the answer it will give us. So here, ChatGPT is telling us the answer is yes and is no. Okay, so let's read on. It says, the answer depends on what you want to achieve. Then it says, if your goal is just to use TikTok normally, creating TikTok account from the app is perfectly fine. All right. Then here it says, if your goal is serious business, advertising and scaling, starting from the website through business ecosystem is usually better. And this was my focus in that video. Let me still copy this. Let's go to Cloud AI. I hope that's what it's called. So let me paste it here. Now, this one says why the website business dot whatever is better for most business. So it's already telling you it is better. It's just trying to give you why. Okay. So having shown you that, let me get to where I signed in with my main account, one of my major accounts on TikTok business. So let me show you a few things. Let me show you around. Okay. So let me come here. So this is my account. So I'm at home, right, in my account. This is my TikTok account on the app now. It's a business account, right? So here, if I click here, you see my posts. These are my posts. Because the one I did yesterday, that's in the previous video, it was a fresh account, so nothing was posted yet, okay? So I couldn't show you some of these things, okay? So these are my posts. So here you can have a quick overview of your posts, unlike you see it on the app, right? And remember how we got here was we came to ads.tiktok.com, right? When we came here, we went to create. So when you click on create, you come to business account, okay? That's what we did. And then we went ahead to log in, okay? So I'm now showing you, having logged in, I'm showing you some of those things here. So let me come to analytics. So this is the analytics of this account. All right. So it's showing different things. I think this is in the last 7 days or so. Yeah, that's the last 7 days. So if I take it to 365 days, you see the way it's looking. Okay, so let's come to comments. You now see the comments here. Can you see different comments here? Then you come to inspiration. They are giving me inspiration of the kind of videos to create. So this is it. Then Creator Academy. This one will take me away from here. I don't want to go into that for now. The next thing here is monetization. Okay, so let's click on monetization and see options we have under monetization. Is loading. So down here you see that I'm monetized for video gifts, monetized for artists, partnership with artists. I'm also monetized for subscription, and then these are ways I can make money on TikTok, right, with my business account. So okay, so there's also service here. I think this is the latest one that they gave me. Okay, then from here you can come to sound. I don't even need this. I don't know why it's there. Okay, but it's there, right? But my major point of coming here is to show you something interesting that you might want to explore, which is this splits. Okay, I already opened one. So what this does is it helps you to convert your long videos into shorts. Okay, that's what is happening here. Okay, this same video that I posted on YouTube is what I brought in here. Okay, so when you click it, it brings you to a place like this, right? You can click here to now upload. So I uploaded that video, and then it had broken it down into shorts, right? It's still loading, right? So it has broken it down into shorts. And the amazing thing, one amazing thing about this is that it gave each split a title from the video. Okay, like if you read here, it says a different thing from what it says here. This one says, did you know that's how I started the video, right? This one says, start your TikTok account as a business account. Can you see? This one says step by step. So it gave it different titles. So at the end of the day, it makes it very easy for you to post. So if I click here, can you see post? Then you can as well download it. That means I can download these splitted videos now and upload maybe on my Facebook or on my YouTube. Okay, so you can upload it on any platform. So if you have been looking for a way to split your long videos, this is probably the best option you can try. Okay, so if I want to do that now, it will tell me to wait. Okay, I think it's downloading. So a part of it has downloaded. So if it's downloading, in a moment it will be done downloading. Okay, so I can as well go ahead to post it, but I want to see what I want to post. All right, to be sure that the connections are there, because this is a full video and it's splitting it. Okay, so when it's done downloading, it's almost there. Yeah, it's done downloading. So let me go and open it. Let's see the way it looks. Now this is remember, a long video in 16:9 ratio. Okay, but then this has turned it into this. Let's see.
Do you know you can create a TikTok business account directly without ever having a personal account and without even using the TikTok app? This is the approach serious-minded business owners use that most people are not aware of. They waste time creating a personal profile first, then struggle to switch, only to get stuck with the new business verification requirement that TikTok now forces on everyone. Well, in this video, my friend will be showing you the smartest way to create your TikTok business account directly from the beginning without the TikTok app. This method is cleaner, faster, and gives you higher chances of having more success.
Yeah, I had to stop him there. Yeah, that's quite amazing. At least we've learned something new trying to respond to that DM. Okay, but there's something I want to show you. When you try to split the video, right? Let me show you from here. Okay, so I had to go with this option, auto option. Okay, so you can as well choose 30 seconds or this or that. Okay, so anyone you want, but why I chose this is I want to see what their automatic or automated system will give me, right? If you choose 30 seconds, it will force all the shots to be 30 seconds. Okay, choosing that option might create some abrupt effect, making the video not have a logical end. So that's why I had to try this system or this option, right? So you can just decide the option you want to try, right? So you can go with 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. So this one also will not give you exactly 30 seconds. So it might just give you 45 seconds or thereabout. Okay, because it says 30 seconds to 60 seconds. This one 60 to 90 seconds. So depending on what you want. Okay, so we learned something new today. Okay, trying to respond to that DM, right? So if you have any question or you want to learn something about TikTok, just drop it in the comments. And I won't end this without reminding you that we have the best training when it comes to TikTok Ads Manager. So if you want to learn how to run ad on TikTok Ads Manager professionally, check the first link in the description of this video to join the class. If you want to get your TikTok business account verified, there's also a link in the description of this video to help you get by with that. Okay, now don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out in the next interesting video. I'll see you with more amazing updates.